Dehumidifier in their basement. Narrator, are you tired of dealing with musty odors, mold, and mildew in your basement or home? Are you looking for a reliable solution to keep your space comfortable and healthy? Look no further than the 4,500 square feet most efficient Energy Star 2025 Dehumidifier by Aoki. Logo, Narrator, this smart compressor dehumidifier is designed for maximum efficiency, making it perfect for spaces up to 4,500 square feet. Whether it's your basement, bedroom, home, or bathroom, this dehumidifier has got you covered. Dehumidifier in the background. Narrator, let's take a closer look at the main benefits and features of this impressive dehumidifier. One of the standout features of this model is its intelligent humidistat, which automatically adjusts the humidity level to maintain the optimal level for your space. Display, Narrator, say goodbye to constantly having to monitor and adjust the settings yourself. The intelligent humidistat does the work for you, ensuring that your space is always comfortable and free from excess moisture. Bathroom, Narrator, another key feature of the Aoki dehumidifier is its smart compressor technology, which ensures maximum efficiency and energy savings. This means you can enjoy a comfortable space without breaking the bank on electricity bills. Basement, Narrator, they included drain hose makes maintenance a breeze, allowing you to easily remove excess water without the hassle of constantly emptying the water tank. Simply set it up and let it do its job. Scenarios: basement, bedroom, home, bathroom. Narrator, whether you're dealing with musty odors in your basement, excess moisture in your bathroom, or just want to create a comfortable living environment in your home, the Aoki dehumidifier is the perfect solution for all your needs. Dehumidifier with a standard dehumidifier. Narrator, when compared to standard dehumidifiers, the Aoki model stands out for its energy, efficiency, intelligent features, and overall performance. Don't settle for less when it comes to keeping your space comfortable and healthy. The Aoki dehumidifier. Narrator, but don't just take our word for it. Listen to what other users have to say about the Aoki dehumidifier. User story: I used to struggle with mold and mildew in my basement, but ever since I started using the Aoki dehumidifier, the air quality has improved significantly. I can finally enjoy my basement without worrying about musty odors. Sarah, happy customer to the dehumidifier. Narrator, join the countless satisfied customers who have experienced the benefits of the Aoki dehumidifier for themselves. Say goodbye to mold, mildew, and musty odors, and hello to a comfortable and healthy living environment. Dehumidifier. Narrator, don't wait any longer to transform your space with the Aoki 4,500 square feet most efficient Energy Star 2025 dehumidifier. Order now and start enjoying the benefits of a comfortable and healthy living environment today. Strong call to action. Narrator, click Add to cart now and say goodbye to excess moisture and musty odors for good. Transform your space with the Aoki Dehumidifier today. Thank you for watching.